This is a test to see if this model from the total Toby tournament via CAD can be made in FreeCAD in a reasonable way. And we will take away the wizard and see if the wand will be able to do it. We begin with the slot for the base, and we will not constrain it right away. Make it so that we can make this. We will try to draw it in a way that we can use the driving dimensions from the drawing. And we will make a sub-shape binder to make the hole for the bottom. And we'll offset it by -6. When we have that, we can begin on the tube. To get the tube, we will need to define the plane. And get the driving dimensions. So, we need this. We need this one to be geometry. And now we will need some help geometry. Find the width of the tube. And parallel distance to the edge according to the drawing. And we have the height. And now I can take this, make them coincident. Like this, and now we are fully constrained. The profile for the tube doesn't really matter which plane. Make one circle, 35 as in the drawing. Make one that we do not define. We'll then dimension these with wall thickness of 2.8. We can get out. Now we want to take the profile and put it along the defined line for the center. Go into map mode. Then no longer want the XY plane, so we put it here. Now, because of the order of the line, we need to put another reference and get it up. And normal to edge. Okay. Don't need that anymore. Now we can start, before we begin with the whole patterns, to get the body up 9.8, the binder with offset. We will make a negative extrude. This, say, up the face, and then put a offset of negative 2.8 to get the thickness. And we will take this sketch, extrude it up to face and down. Press OK. Now we have to take care of this, because the hole doesn't go all the way through. So we'll use the geometry, make a cut through all, and now we can see everything is where it needs to be. And then start on the fillets. Out the fillet is 5. And take the inner edge, make a fillet of 2. And the main body is finished. So now we need to work on the whole pattern. And here comes the problem. I could make it this, with a sketch, and port some geometry, make a slot we want there. Now I want that slot to be symmetric. This to be symmetric. One redundant, and that's the equal. So we delete that. And this is the normal way, but it will create problems. We'll make another sketch here. Now we can see we got the wrong direction. So make a circle here, make that free. We get out and To make a pattern along a path, you could use the draft. Create a pattern feature, create a path, get up here, and path array. If you don't see that, click down, and you have the path array. And what we can see here is the pattern will not be aligning as it should, according to the drawing. The mass would be okay, but the pattern is wrong. So we will go back and redo that. Delete that. Delete that. And delete that. So what we want to do is get back part design, select the face, do the slot again, so now we have the same sketch, but we want to start here, 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 or here. So what we will do is we will split up the line and make sure that it's connected, so we still have a whole ring. Put that where we want to start, there. And now we have a fully constrained. Get back to the draft. What we want to do now to decide the starting point is we select the first one and start them with there and continue around. But first we need to have our pattern sketch, so we will create that there. Back in the part design, so back to draft. Sure, we have selected pattern, and then the path. We get back here to path array, and now we can see it have started correctly. We can enter 20. When the path is ready, we go back to part design, can hide the path, take the path array, make a sub-shape binder of it, hide the path array, select the binder, make a cut of 4 millimeters as in the drawing, and reverse it to get it into the body. Press OK. And now it looks as it should, with the pattern of the holes correctly. This model is in ABS, We mark it, and 34.4 is correct. And that is how this could be done in FreeCAD.